Welcome to HA Motors, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of luxury cars and motorhomes, and today we are introducing something truly unique and futuristic, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. This vehicle is not just a motorhome but a blend of ultimate luxury modern technology and the spirit of adventure designed for those who demand elegance even on the open road. Cadillac has always been known for pushing the boundaries of premium automotive engineering, and this motorhome is the brand's leap into redefining what a luxury RV should look and feel like in the future. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome combines bold exterior styling with futuristic aerodynamics and sharp Cadillac lines. The exterior features a sleek modern profile with LED light bars that give it a distinctive signature both during the day and at night. Its aerodynamic shape ensures better fuel efficiency for such a large luxury motorhome, while its panoramic glass sections bring in natural light and provide unmatched views when traveling. Built on a powerful hybrid electric platform, it balances sustainability with performance, offering smooth handling, long-distance capability, and reduced emissions compared to traditional RVs. Inside the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, the cabin is a true masterpiece of luxury living on wheels. Step inside and you are welcomed with premium handcrafted materials, including leather wood and brushed aluminum finishes that give the interior a five-star hotel vibe. It has been designed with maximum comfort in mind, featuring a spacious lounge with reclining seating, a large smart TV, and a surround sound system that brings entertainment on the go. The motorhome includes a full smart kitchen equipped with induction cooking, refrigerator, microwave, and plenty of storage space so you can cook gourmet meals even while traveling. One of the highlights is the fully furnished bedroom that includes a king-size memory foam bed and smart ambient lighting to provide a restful experience. The Cadillac Motorhome also features a luxurious bathroom with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and advanced water management systems, making it truly a home away from home. The cabin is integrated with Cadillac's advanced AI assistant that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and navigation, all through voice commands or a central touchscreen interface. For connectivity and convenience, the motorhome comes with 5G Wi-Fi hotspot support, wireless charging pads, and multiple USB-C ports to keep all your devices powered. Cadillac has also integrated autonomous driving technology into this motorhome, which means on certain highways the driver can relax while the system handles steering, braking, and lane assistance. Safety remains a top priority with features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, and emergency braking systems. With generous storage compartments and modular furniture design, the motorhome adapts to both long journeys and short weekend getaways. Solar panels mounted on the roof provide renewable energy for powering onboard electronics and systems when off-grid, making it an eco-friendly travel companion. The combination of luxury comfort, technology, and sustainability makes the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome stand apart in the RV industry, and it is truly aimed at travelers who want nothing less than the best. This is a motorhome that turns every trip into a luxurious experience, redefining road travel for the future. Stay tuned with HA Motors for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and detailed features on upcoming vehicles.